Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to use false command in Linux. So false command is a pretty unique command in my opinion. So basically what it does is that it does nothing unsuccessfully. So no output will be provided or failed status or anything, but we can check the output by getting the exit status. So for example, let's try false. Provide no output or anything, and then but if we check echo, so this is the special variable that we can use to check the exit status of previous command execution. So the status is 1. So in exit status, basically, if the command successfully run, it will provide 0. But other than that, it will provide any number other than 0. So failed usually 1, but there are also other exit status code. And if we try, for example, a successful command, for example, ls, so it provides no output because nothing in this directory. Or let's try ls al. So it show the content of my current directory. And if we check the exit status of the previous invocation, command invocation, it is successful. So it provides the number 0 and not instead of 1. So false, just providing the exit status 1 basically. This command has no other option. So let's try to open its man page. So the option is just like the standard option, help and version. The info page should also provide similar, so only help and version, similar info. And if we tried false help, okay, it doesn't even print anything. False, sorry, version. Okay, so apparently it does not even know this option exists. Interesting. Okay. Actually, that's it for this false command. You can use usually this command used in script where you want to like get your script to basically exit from the execution. So intentional exit. So you can like say false, so it will just exit from the execution. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Howtodojo channel. See you on the next video.